My mom's name is Veeba, and I get a lot of my work ethic and from her, so it was an ode to her. So Veeba became Veeba.
Most wonderful stories start with a dream, and every big dream has a small beginning.
Why can't Tasty be healthier than what is available?
A beginning as small as how?
How can we make food tastier? How can we eat healthier? How can we make making food simpler? How can we make tastier food more creative? How do we bring global cuisine to India?
While every dream begins with a how, it's the who that matters. Who believes in your dream? Who pushes you to make your dream bigger, bolder, brighter?
Dear consumers, you are the inspiration behind Veeba and the reason we strive for excellence every single day. You are the reason we get up in the morning and try and make the best sauces the world has ever seen.
This wouldn't have been possible without the belief and passion of hundreds of our very own.
Our first break was given to us by Domino's Pizza. I think I had to beg, plead, but they were eventually very, very kind to us.
We started with about 20 employees. Today, we are about 2,000 and growing. And what is Veeba today? Our passion is innovation. At Veeba, it is always about how do we make food more interesting and appetizing without compromising on quality. We invest a lot in designing and developing recipes, sourcing authentic ingredients from different parts of the world, and ensuring that what goes into our packs is the best that we can give our customers. 10 years of quality, 10 years of innovation, 10 years of taste.
We are 10 and we are just getting started.
10 years of Veeba.